guys, here we have a 52-inch Casablanca Panama with the light kit. I've done that in the builder's pits, but it fell. Hopefully I don't do that to this fan, which hopefully this fan can survive. So here's the light. I've got one incandescent and two fluorescents. Those are the two bulbs I can find. I don't know what the finished blades are. They look like mahogany or walnut. But on the camera, it looks like rosewood, which rosewood blades on a silver chrome fan is really cool with a spotlight. And yeah, started on low. And it does take a while to get up to speed, so just give it a push. Does use an XLP 2000 motor. I gotta find some shades for this fan because I don't know where the shades for this light kit lay. This was the light kit that was on the Hampton Bay Hawkins. Here's medium. It is pretty wobbly. I can tell you that. That's because I believe it needs some balancing kit. Hopefully it doesn't wobble if I install it somewhere. The original wobbled slightly. Here's high. Oh. Oh. This is so wobbly. Oh, I forgot to show light. Well, let's do it while it's on high. And do it when spinning down. This thing will have a long spin down. As you can tell, this fan was in a house down my street that was a plumber. Well, it was a really ugly house. It was a plumber that used to own that house, but he decided to give up on that house and just give up on that house and just sell it and just abandon it. But they demolished it, remodeled it. They put the fans in the garage, which I'm really happy they did. So yeah, both of those fans were abandoned. Even the Hunter original might have been abandoned for a little bit. Hunter original. Huh. Sure does take a long spin down time. How the heck are those blades taking a really long spin down time? That's because they're heavy gloss. I'll show reverse really quickly because I want this fan to fall. Bearings have been a little stiff, just because I've been ran a while. Here's low reverse. slow reverse. Just takes a while to get up to speed. Am I still filming? Yep. Turn the light off. Medium reverse. Light on. And high reverse. I can't do spin down reverse because my phone's a 56 gigabyte. If I had 128 gigabytes, that would be much better to do spin down reverse and spin down forward. So yeah. Thanks for watching.